Hey guys, so I'm back here with another YouTube video, and I hope you guys are doing great. I know it's been a while, probably months, a week, since I've uploaded a video, but here's my boyfriend helping me out set up. Now I'm setting my granola onto a piece of napkin. You can do this in a blender, blend it up easily, but I'm over here mashing it up quickly, fast as possible, because we're trying to head to the beach. Anybody got time to play? Okay, once you're done mashing up your granola, you can sprinkle it into your bowl or just throw it in there. And you can put in whatever nuts, fruits that you want to put in. I decided to put strawberries and walnuts with cranberry. I saw my boyfriend put it in the fridge, so I was like, you know what, let me use this. Okay, now I'm gonna cut the strawberries into slices. Not thin, but you know the right amount. I'm gonna cut off the tops because I like to eat them afterwards. Now to the yummy part. I'm gonna add cane sugar. You can add whatever you want, and I'm gonna add honey just because I like honey a lot. But yeah, it's really good for you. So I'm gonna sprinkle on this brown sugar, cane sugar, whatever. You can sprinkle it on your strawberries. You can drizzle your honey onto the strawberries, but I like to do that afterwards. Okay, now I'm gonna add in coconut flakes. I love coconut. The granola has coconut in it too, coconut and some other sugar. Now I'm gonna drizzle my honey right on top. Now I'm gonna take some more granola and sprinkle it on top. You can leave it as it is or just add more if you want. I got this granola. It was at Walmart for like almost $4, which is pretty good. I think it's a good price, but yeah, it tastes really good by itself too.